Okay, so this is going to be your quiz review. Just a real quick, simple 3 questions. Okay? Give me an equation of a line that passes or that has the slope of 1/2 and has a b of 7. Remember that m is just another word for slope, and the b is just another word for y-intercept. We have a slope and a y-intercept. What equation are we going to use? Well, the slope-intercept, which is y equals mx plus b. Now you figure it out. Do you know what m is? Yes, it's right here. M is 1/2. So we put y equals 1/2 x. And we look, do you know what b is? Yes, b is right here. How much is b? It's 7. So right here you put, what type of 7? Positive 7. So positive 7. That's the answer. Y equals 1/2 x plus 7. The next one. Let's say I give you -1, -6, and m equals 4. Well, what do we have? This is a point. This is a slope. So we use the point-slope formula. The point-slope formula is y minus y1 equals m onto x minus x1. And we need to label the points. This is x1, this is y1. And now we just plug in what we know. y1 is right here, y1. So we put those there. This is -6. Then we go to the m. What's m? It's right here. It is 4. 4. What is x1? It's right here. Oh. x1 is right there. -1. -1. So now we just bring everything down. Bring down the y. Don't forget the minus sign here. Minus. And then you bring down a -6. What is a minus minus? It makes a big plus. It's a plus. Bring down the 4. Bring down the parentheses. Bring down the x. There's a minus sign here. And then you bring down this, which is -1. A minus minus makes a plus. Now what we do is bring this down. So it's y plus 6 equals, now we start to distribute. 4 times x is 4x. 4 times a +1 is a +4. Now we're almost ready so we can graph it, but we can't yet because this 6 is in the way. How do you move a +6? You subtract 6. And you can't subtract 6 from x, so you have to put it way over here, where the number is. Y equals 4x, and then right here, you have 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is a negative 2. There you go. You can graph that in the calculator. And then the last example. What happens if I give you 0, 4 and negative 2, 3? You have to look at what do we have. We have a point and a point. What can you do with 2 points? The only thing you can do right now, you don't have a graph, so you can't graph them. So we find the slope. Let's find the slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Let's go label. That's x1, y1. That's x2, y2. And we will substitute. Which one is y2? Right there, y2. So we put 3. Then you have to put a minus sign, because there's a minus sign right there. And then you go get y1. y1 is right here, which is 4. 4. Put divided by, you come and get x2, which is right here, x2, which is a negative 2. You have to put a minus sign because the formula says so. And then you look for x1, and that's right there. x1 is 0. 0. And you just solve it. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. Negative 2 minus 0 is a negative 2. A negative over negative makes a positive. So this is really 1/2. And your slope is the letter M. Now we have a slope and a point. That means you can use the point slope formula. Point slope, which is y minus y1 equals m onto x minus x1. And we already have everything labeled, ready to go. What is y1? Right there. 4. So this is 4. What is the m? We just figured it out. It's way over here. So that's 1/2. What is x1? x1 is right there. x1. You already have it labeled. It's 0. And we bring everything down now. Bring down the y. Bring down the minus sign. Bring down the 4. Bring down the equal sign. Bring down the 1/2. Bring down the parentheses. And bring down the x. And bring down the minus. And bring down the 0. And then, like another question, we're just going to bring this with us. Bring all of this with us down. So it's y minus 4 equals, we distribute. What's 1/2 times x? That's 1/2 x. What's 1/2 times a negative 0? Or 1/2 times 0 is just 0. Now, we don't have to write the 0 there, but you can, but we don't have to. So it's just nothing. I'm not going to put nothing here. I'm going to leave it blank, okay? I'm going to write this over here because I'm out of room. So y minus 4 equals 1/2 x. Now we can almost graph this, except the negative 4 is in the way. How do you move a negative 4? We add 4. Add 4. y equals. Now you cannot add these. In class, some of you did. You can't put 4.5x. You can't. Why? Because this is an x and this is a number. You can't add them. They're different things. So you just write it out. 1/2 x and a positive 4. This is the answer. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. So tomorrow, on your quiz, okay, anyways, what were we saying? Oh yeah, tomorrow on your quiz, you'll have 3 questions. Just like I went over. One of them will be slope-intercept, which is y equals mx plus b. And 2 and 3, you're going to have to use the point slope. If you write down notes over what I did in the video, you can use them tomorrow on your test. On the quiz, sorry, it's a quiz. Alright? Thanks. Laters.